is um, doing service in a spirit of mission and ministry. There is a compassion, and I think in the same zeal and enthusiasm, this program was arranged and organized and executed this morning. So I want to congratulate to dear Principal Irene Paul and all the teachers who have done a lot of work behind, and give the opportunities to the students and the staff to execute their services on this very blessed day of independence. I have heard many speeches from the children and very good thoughts from our dear sister Irene Pearl about the Independence Day. And I do not want to speak about the Independence Day much, but I just want to tell you a story of Napoleon Bonaparte. How many are there who know the name of Napoleon Bonaparte? Napoleon Bonaparte was a general, German general, and he was in the field of war along with his fellows and the soldiers, and he was hitting Egypt, and after a long struggle they conquered the country of Egypt. As soon as they conquered the country of Egypt, all the fellows of Napoleon Bonaparte and generals and other soldiers requested Napoleon Bonaparte to send us on leave to spend time with our families and to take a little rest after a long struggle and war. And Napoleon Bonaparte said one thing. Napoleon Bonaparte said, independence and conquering a country is not an end. It is a beginning of a new era with new responsibilities and new challenges. I just want to identify the challenges and the responsibilities we are holding after the independence of Pakistan. It is very good, it seems very good and feels very good to sloganize such kind of slogans, but it is more important to deliver our responsibilities being Pakistanis and to face the challenges and do some work and put some efforts to build the nation. And I think we as institution, Mrs. Irene Pearl and other teachers are investing their responsibilities and struggles in the lives of these small children who are the future of this Pakistan. But sometimes when I think around and see the situation around in a country, me and everybody knows what is the situation of Pakistan in terms of politics, in terms of our finances, in terms of other resources. If we talk about the resources, God has blessed us with all four seasons and all the facilities and all the resources in Pakistan. We have sea, we have agricultural land, we have minerals. But even then we are a poor country. Why? Because we have not done our responsibilities after getting this independence, and that independence was not achieved by we people sitting here. That independence was achieved by the people who sacrificed, who shed their blood, and we are enjoying that independence and we are very happy. But we should take the challenge what they took at one time in history, and if we will not take that challenge and that responsibility, it will not be beneficial and very fruitful being Pakistani for the country Pakistan. So what the school ministry is doing, we are investing in these small children, and we expect that these children will be very strong citizens of Pakistan and do their role to establish and strengthen Pakistan as country. We need to develop and establish the image of Pakistan, because everybody knows what is the image of Pakistan now. By the grace of God, gradually our image is growing and improving in world. But these are the challenges. It is not very good to point out these things at this moment, as we are enjoying and we are celebrating the Independence Day. But this is also a point of worry, that we should keep our independence and we should maintain our independence. If we will not be able to maintain our independence, we will not be go along in that kind of state and independence. So we need to hold our independence and we need to celebrate our independence, and we need to maintain our independence by our characters, by our works, and by our thoughts and hearts. So this is what I want to point out, the challenge. We people sitting here and the people celebrating the Independence Day throughout the country, they should take the challenge and take the responsibility. We are very proud of the performance of our Pak Army in the month of May, when our enemy Hindustan attacked on Pakistan, and the Pakistan armies faced them, and God gave us a great victory on the same year when we are celebrating 78th birthday of Pakistan. So we are celebrating dual joy this year. One joy is the joy of independence, and the other joy is the joy of victory over India in that war that was imposed on us in the name of water issue. So these are the things I want to point out and I want to highlight. But apart from that, being Bishop of Karachi, although very often I do not visit the institution because of a lot of work in my office, but most often we talk about this institution, the development regarding the infrastructure, about the teachers, about the students' development and grooming. And you have seen we have done a lot of renovation work in this institution, and we are on the phase that first we will finish the whole renovation, then we'll see other things, what can we do for the betterment and uplift of this institution and for the teachers and for the principal administration as well. So we have a vision for this institution, and God willing, this institution, according to the tradition of this school in history, this will keep the tradition of performance. And people have been benefited by this institution, and people will witness the integrity and identity of this institution in this city. And that is because of you, teachers and principals and other administrative people who are involved in that. So God bless you all on this very day of independence, and give us strength to do the development work, not only for our institutions, but also for the country and for our lives, not only for our own lives, but also for others as well. Because we are meant for others, and we always stand for others. Otherwise, we will be known as very selfish and self-centered. So this is, I think, I want to conclude my thought. God bless you all.